I want to talk a little bit today about 5-speed, so your early model twin cams, 88 cubic inch. All the 5-speeds had cam chain tensioners, a little spring action, front side and back side. You should get these checked probably every 20,000 miles. If you haven't had them checked and you have more than that, you run the risk of running in that the tensioners are wearing out. They're ending up running metal on metal. These are what we're seeing that they're wearing out. We had one that there's no tensioner left, it's all just straight metal. But definitely something that you want to check every 20,000 miles. They're going to have to be replaced probably within 40,000 miles. It's right inside this cover. You can either cut out the push rods and we can do adjustable push rods, save a little bit of labor time to get into the cams, or we have to take the top off so we can take your push rods out. So if it's one of those things where you're seeing a little bit of oil starting to seep in the top, good time to do those gaskets and check those. You can give Ed a call on parts or Dick, see about some options on what to do to replace them.